Angelina cook. Today I will show you Wa Style Beef Larb. Let's go look what I'm using inside. Cilantro, green onion, coriander, Vietnamese coriander, meat, ginger, garlic, Szechuan pepper, chili and green chili, dried chili, ground beef. Let's go ahead. We start through Szechuan pepper. It's done. Szechuan pepper can smell good and let him out. Make cold a little while. We have to make bang bang. The food and beef larb. เราต้องเลือกผักแพรวmeat. We have the cream together, put it together, and we cream that and we chop. We have the carrot and put inside. Cilantro put inside and green onion. And that's all together. We have the cream, olive cream. We have to chop and put together ground meat, and we put everything inside. That's good. Time to chop everything, chili, vegetable, cilantro, everything. We have to chop together all and put in the bowl. We chop garlic first. Time to chop ginger. We have to chop ginger very small because I don't have bang bang. Before when I cook, I do in garlic and ginger and with chili. I make bang bang each other, and now I don't have bang bang. Everything look my ginger. We have to chop very so small like that. Okay. So if you have bang bang, you can make bang bang, okay? To me, I don't have bang bang. If you want to give me, if you want to buy, give me. That's I'm way thank you to you. Chop chili too. I'm a light chili, spicy. It's not spicy to me. I can eat. Why people like spicy, like chili? Don't be scared chili, okay? That chili make my food delicious. Nice color and delicious. My chili is nice color and only chop, and we have to put together. Green onion and coriander. This is so long, I have to chop this first. This go you have the has a little bit, okay? Everything we have to make very small and mix together. This is make delicious. And to chop it, I will do 2-3 times. This small too. Everything small. I have to use glass and everything have to go inside and mix together and we cook. First time ground meat. Szechuan pepper. Salt. Chicken powder. I will put dry chili, we mix together.ต้องบีบให้เข้ากันต้นหอมขิงกระเทียมเราต้องบีบต้องบีบไว้ใช้แรงบีบหน่อยนะคะ จะได้เข้ากันทั้งหมดเครื่องปรุงจะได้เข้ากันทั้งหมดจะได้ทำหอมอร่อยมากกับข้าวอาหารหวานนะคะ I have to take a little bit what's going on to salt. I have to add salt more. This is finished, look like that. Steak, pig together and time to go cook. We put inside pan. We put inside pan. And pan we don't need to be hard and put water, add water, if you like to cook together oil, you can cook together oil. To me, I don't like oil. We use water. We put top, let him boil and we go check. Smell good. Time to go take my larb. It's boiled. We go take. Maybe we can add salt more. Everything. Make me hungry. Oh, smell good. I'm hungry. How you think? How to take my larb? Take it. Wow, delicious. I have to add MSG a little bit and chicken powder. I add chicken powder a little bit and MSG a little bit. We don't add too much. Okay, maybe fish sauce a little bit. I don't add salt. I add fish sauce. And easy to cook. You don't have time too much. And now is it all ready to cook? I have to go put and plate. Wild food, ground beef, larb. That is a wild style food and a lot of things possible. And lamb, green onion, lettuce. I cut long bean and cucumber, cabbage, Chinese cabbage, and Thai basil, cilantro a little bit, and time to go eat. Let's go eat. Go eat. I love and eat together, right? And we like that. Wow. I will try to give you. We can eat like that. This is, we eat like that. That's long bean. And you can use this one. You can put this in there. You can put lettuce a little bit. Eat. Wow. Everything possible. Garlic, ginger, cherry, everything go together. Very delicious. Thank you for enjoying me. If you like my video, don't forget like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you the next time. Me on Patreon.